With more than 5,200 acres, there aren't too many ways to get around the Texas A&M campus in a timely manner. So KYAG's reporter Elizabeth Tharp has more on what A&M is doing to improve their transportation system.
Environmentally friendly with batteries that are equivalent to 8 Teslas. Texas A&M Transportation Services introduces the state's first university-operated electric buses, all thanks to the partnership with Brazos Transit District.
We've always wanted to make the cities of Bryan and College Station better, and we can't think of a better way than doing it with electric buses.
Out of 891 applicants for grants from the Federal Transit Commission, 91 projects were awarded. Only 5 were in Texas, and only 1 went to a public transit provider. The grant? $14 million.
We can't express our gratitude for this and for all the hard work that everybody helped us do, because it was not a project that we did on our own. It was a team effort from the beginning.
The 3 buses have been on campus for about 4 weeks now so that A&M and BTD could test the batteries and train employees how to drive the new buses. But as of today, they're officially road ready.
Not have to worry about running out of battery or swapping the bus on route. It's absolutely awesome. The technology is amazing.
One electric bus weighs almost 17 tons and yet makes almost no noise.
It's running now, and so you don't hear it, and the other one's going by and you don't hear it.
A potentially dangerous situation for those who rely on sound.
So we've installed beepers on the signals, so anytime that the bus is making a turn, it beeps.
Lang says on the plus side, things will be quieter for events and during classes.
Instead of having all 100% diesels, we've got some electrics, and it will keep it quieter, which, quieter is better.
Will the future be all electric for A&M and Brazos Transit?
I think it'll take some time, but I think eventually electric's going to win, and here's the start.
Reporting in College Station, Elizabeth Tharp, KYAG's News.
Thank you, Elizabeth. Texas A&M has also added 24 diesel buses to campus, replacing some of the fleet's older vehicles. They have also applied for 6 more electric buses to add as well. Keep it here. I got sports next. Don't go anywhere.